I see you've got quite the arm wear on there.
Oh yeah.
Is that just through? Have you had it that long?
Oh yeah.
It's awesome. The arm, the actual wear on it.
Oh yeah. Look a string. I tried to fix it.
I know you tried to fix it. I saw you.
It was almost on there.
So what's that? 62.
Yeah.
That's absolutely amazing. You can never recreate that.
That's for sure.
And how long you had it since?
I've had it since 2002.
Oh wow.
22 years.
22 years. Have you worn that arm? Have you worn that arm for him?
Oh yeah. That's on me.
Awesome. That was really good, Jack.